In 2020, the CRISPR-Cas9 genome editing method won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. It shows human beings have never slowed down the innovation of science and technology. In particular, the breakthrough of enzyme technology in pharmaceutical intermediates, healthcare, and cosmetic raw materials has perfectly achieved the green manufacturing process with effective production costs at the same time. Sinoway Industrial Corporation Limited was established in Xiamen in 1987, and now it grows as a leading enterprise specialized in research, customer developing, and manufacturing, exporting of pharmaceutical APIs, intermediates, botanical extracts, healthcare, and cosmetic raw materials. Our main products are NMN, rosvestidine-cacuum intermediate, diosmin, hydrocortisone-based acetate, spironolactone, L-glutathione-reduced rhodiola rosea extract, glycolining, and so on. Sinoway has the ISO 9001 certification and passed the SGS third-party audit. We cooperated with consigned processing factories which are in line with international GMP standards. We also have strategic cooperation with domestic universities, research institutes, and the National Analysis Center to ensure high quality of the products. We have got long-term partners from Europe, America, and other countries for nearly 30 years. We also supply intermediates to Novartis, Teva, Daiwa Pharmaceuticals, Sumitomo, and others. Besides, we represent Fisher Chemicals in Switzerland as their procurement agent in China. We have an excellent R&D team and a proficient overseas business team to provide customers with professional CDMO services, especially intermediates, etc., with special quality. Our customer developing and manufacturing service as below. First, compound, cherub compounds, prostaglandin series products, peptide synthesis, one-step synthesis of microorganisms, separation and purification of biological products, create a new synthesis route which is different from patent route, special specifications of plant extracts, carbohydrate chemistry. Second, special facilities that can meet these circumstances. High vacuum reach 1 mm of mercury. Low temperature reach -100 centigrade. Enzymic catalytic reaction. We have successfully customized some special high-quality products for European and Japanese end users, and have also signed confidentiality agreements for long-term cooperation. In CDMO service, Sinoway insists on rapid response, the pursuit of high quality, low cost, and on-time delivery to provide customers with satisfactory high-end customer services.